Our long-standing relationship with Dassault Systèmes and our consistent delivery of high-quality services have positioned us as a trusted partner. We've been recognized as a Dassault Systèmes Platinum Partner for the past 2 consecutive years, which is a testament to our expertise and dedication. Our team understands the intricacies of Dassault Systèmes solutions and works closely with clients to ensure they achieve their business goals. This trust and reliability have helped us build lasting relationships with our customers.
We have secured the Asia Pacific South 3D Experience biggest deal and achieved the Asia Pacific South Marketing's highest number of large deals. We are also honoured to be part of the 100% Achievement Club, which reflects our team's hard work and dedication to excellence.
Our core offerings include Dassault System Solutions, such as PLM, stands for Product Lifecycle Management for industries like aerospace and defense, transportation and mobility, and other manufacturing industries. Simulation software for engineering, validation, and optimization. And finally, digital manufacturing and visualization technologies.
For IT services, we do system development, IT infrastructure, and mobile app development. We do end-to-end monitoring and outsourcing the solutions. For engineering support and visualization technology, we do augmented reality AR, virtual reality VR, and mixed reality MR for enhanced visualization.
And finally, for Dassault Systèmes, we offer training and certification focusing on CATIA for design, Innovia for governance, Delmia for manufacturing, and also we support training for 3D Experience Platform for skill development and certification to support local industry talent development.
To our potential clients and partners, I would like to say this. At Feiran Technology, we are more than just a service provider. We are your trusted partner in innovation and growth. Whether you're looking to optimize your operations, implement cutting-edge technology, or achieve your business goals, we are here to support you every step of the way. Let's work together to turn your vision into reality.